Hello everyone, I Satish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic advertisement. Advertisement is a public announcement made through a popular medium like newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, and the cinema. In other words, advertisement is a medium of getting information of any product, any event through newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, and the cinema. Okay, and it is also a play of words. How many kinds of advertisement? The second point is that how many kinds of advertisement? Advertisements we can divide into two categories, classified and commercial. Commercial advertisement are those advertisement we can get information of any product through a picture. Okay, whereas in classified advertisements we can get information of any product through brief description. Okay, after types of an advertisement, now I am going to tell you about the structure of an advertisement. This is the structure which is related to classified advertisement. Okay, first of all we should mention name of the institute in capital with a black pen. After that we should leave two line between advertisement and title. We should mention word title in capital with black pen. After that we should leave one line between title and content. We should try to remember one thing, that we should write content not more than 50 words. Okay, after just completion of content we should make a box. Okay, this is the structure of an advertisement which is related to classified category. First of all we should mention advertisement. After that we should leave two line between advertisement and title. After that we should leave one line between title and content. Always try to write content of an advertisement in 50 words. After that we should make a box. This is the structure of an advertisement. After structure of an advertisement, now I am going to tell you about some major points which are related how to write content of an advertisement. These are some major characteristics. The first characteristics is we should write content short and to the point. Okay, we always try to remember one thing, that when we will write content of an advertisement, then we should write content short and to the point. I have already told you that we should write content not more than 50 words. Okay, now on the second page some more characteristics regarding content of an advertisement. They are divided according to category. After that we should mention contact name and address. After that we should make a box. Okay, when we will write any content of an advertisement, then we should remember some main points, like first of all we should write content not more than 50 words. In other words, we should write content short and to the point. We always write title according to the category of the advertisement. In content of an advertisement we should mention contact name and address. After that we should mention box. In content we should give all relevant information regarding the caption. Okay, this is the first category, lost and found. In lost and found category, if you lost anything, then you should start content with lost. If you found anything, then your content should start from the word found. Okay. Some more characteristics about lost and found category. First point is begin with lost. If you lost anything, if you found anything, then you should start from the word found. After that you should mention which item, which thing is lost, which item or thing is found. Okay. After that you should give physical description. If physical description is given in the question, then you should give the same physical description which is given in the question. Otherwise you should write the physical description according to your own way. When you lost thing, when you found thing, where did you lose the thing and where did you find the thing? Okay. You should mention these 2 points in the content of this category. Always we should try to end content of an advertisement with contact address and phone number. If no address is given in the question, then you should write the address according to your own way. If no phone number is given in the question, then you should write phone number according to your own way. At the end of the content, we should make a box. We always try to remember one thing, that we should put advertisement into a box. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed about advertisement. Advertisement is a play of words. If we want to get information of any product, any event through newspaper, magazine, TV, radio, cinema, that is called an advertisement. After that we have discussed about types of an advertisement: commercial advertisement and classified. Commercial are those we can get information through a picture or display. In classified, we can get information of any product through brief description. After that we have discussed about the structure of an advertisement. Start from the word advertisement, leave 2 lines between advertisement and title. Always try to mention title according to the question, and after that we should leave 1 line between title and content, and after that we should make a box. After that we have discussed about some major points: how to write content of an advertisement. We should try to write content short and to the point. We always try to write title according to the category of the advertisement. After that we should mention all relevant information. At the end of content we should mention contact name and address, and after that we should make a box. After that we have discussed about the first category, which is related to lost and found category. Begin with lost or found. If you lost anything, then you should begin your content with lost. If you found anything, then you should begin your content with word found. After that you should give relevant information about the item, some physical description, when you find, when you lost, where you lost, where you find. You should mention these 2 things according to the question, and with contact address and phone number, and after that make a box. In my next video I will tell you an example which is related to lost and found category. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.